What's up guys, welcome to XJ for Life. Today we're going to be doing a walk around video of my 1996 Jeep Cherokee XJ. So starting off with the body here, as we work our way down, it's pretty straight. It does have some paint fade in some spots, like the back hatch here. It's pretty faded, but overall, I mean, pretty straight. Not a ton of dents and dings. So as we work our way up front here, we have these rough country LED headlights. They're very bright. They work very well. So if we work our way down to the axle, this is a stock Dana 30. We have an aftermarket track bar back there, rough country, and then we have rough country 4.5-inch coils and rough country quick sway bar disconnects. That's about it for up front. So we work our way to the side. For suspension wise, I'm running a rough country 4.5-inch long arm lift kit. So here are the rough country long arms. You can see it all mounts over there. The rough country cross member and transfer case skid plate. We're also running a rough country rear drive shaft, double cardan. We also have the rough country rear leaf springs and rough country rear shocks. For wheels and tires, we're running 8x15 American Racing rims with some 33 by 12.5 Falcon Wild Peak AT tires. These things are really nice. I've only put about 1,000 miles on them, but they're very nice tires. So now guys, let's move on to the interior. Let me open up all the doors and I'll pick back up and show you guys the interior and all the cool stuff that's inside. So now that I have all the doors open, let's start at the front and work our way back. So we'll hop in here. So for starters, aftermarket Kenwood Exelon series head unit with Bluetooth, everything like that works very well. This Jeep does have original 119,000 miles, so it's decently low. We have aftermarket Kenwood speakers up front, tan interior. We got leather seats, pretty nice, very good condition. Not really any stains on the carpet. We have aftermarket WeatherTech floor mats in here. So yeah, let's move to the back seat. So the back seat, pretty nice, leather, really good condition. Again, the WeatherTech floor mats. All the door panels are in really good shape. And if we move to the rear here, again, WeatherTech floor mat, toolkit, and this thing doesn't have a full sound system, so we have a 5-channel amplifier, powers all the speakers, and this 10-inch subwoofer. This thing bumps. Rear aftermarket speakers as well. That's about it for the interior wise. So now let's talk about drivetrain. So drivetrain wise, this thing has a stock 4.0 liter inline 6 high output. Haven't done any engine upgrades, just normal maintenance. And this 4-liter is paired with an AW4 4-speed transmission, automatic. Overall, this thing, no problems, works amazing, runs amazing, no complaints drivetrain wise. Yeah, I mean, it's 96, 119,000 miles, has a Dana 30 up front, Chrysler 8.25 in the rear. Yeah, pretty awesome car. Well guys, that wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Take care guys.